Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lily. Welcome to my video on the Oasis of Biodiversity that is Yunnan. Showcasing 50% of China's diverse animal and plant species, Yunnan is one of the top 10 biodiversity hotspots. Its forests are home to wild elephants and leopard cats. Spanning hundreds of kilometers, the uniquely diverse ecology in Yunnan is a microcosm of the world's ecosystems, all this in only 4% of China's total land area. A province of treasures in southwest China. Among these treasures are the diversity of life found in the animals and the plants that call Yunnan home. I'm Dr. Li, researcher and professor of ecology in wildlife management and ecosystem health in Yunnan. My team has been studying the unique plants and animals of Yunnan for over 10 years. It is my pleasure to share with you a window into the beauty and wonder our research has presented to us. What is it that makes Yunnan so special? For that matter, is it even special? There are plants and animals all over this planet. How can one small error be that important? I'm not going to answer that question for you. Instead, allow me to share these images, ideas, and knowledge with you. After that, you decide, you answer these questions for yourself. Biodiversity. It brings strength, flexibility, and harmony to an area. Before we talk about Yunnan specifically, let's first talk about China's wonderful biodiversity. China has the highest biodiversity in the Northern Hemisphere and 8th globally. 10% of the world's animal and plant species are found in China. In fact, 8% of the world's birds are found only in China. Further, 15% of the world's mammals are only found in China. These are impressive statistics by themselves. Now, let's look specifically at Yunnan province. Though Yunnan is only 4% of China's total land area, it has the richest biodiversity of any province in China. That is saying a lot for a province in a country that itself is highly biodiverse. Yunnan boasts 296 species of mammals, about half of the species found in all of China. Further, 10 of China's 15 protected primates are found in Yunnan. This includes the snowbird-nosed monkey, whose smile grabs the hearts of many who see it. Yunnan skies welcome 848 species of birds. Of those, 112 are only found in Yunnan. Imagine 848 different birds, different colors, different size, different sounds, all flying at the bird's nest Olympic arena. What an amazing sight that would be! 102 species of amphibians and 151 species of reptiles call the lands and waters of Yunnan home. Of these, about 20 rare amphibian species are found only in Yunnan. Yunnan's rivers, lakes, and streams host 432 species of freshwater fish. 290 of these species live nowhere else. Swimming in the Yunnan waters and seeing all these unique fish would be an experience to remember for a lifetime. About 13,000 species of insects crawl, burrow, and fly in Yunnan. 125 of these are found only in Yunnan. Over 600 species of butterflies color the trees, shrubs, and the skies of Yunnan. In fact, Dali, a town in Yunnan, has so many butterflies it is known as the Butterfly Kingdom. With all this variety, it's easy to see why Yunnan is ranked as one of the world's top 10 biodiversity hotspots. How is it that so many animals can not only live but thrive is such a small land area as Yunnan. Yunnan has a diverse landscape. Diverse forest landscapes, for example, provide comfortable homes for Asian elephants, gibbons, and snowbird-nosed monkeys. Modern glaciers, karst landforms, alpine landscapes, river systems, plateau wetlands, danxia landforms, and agricultural landscapes all join to provide a great variety of habitats for each species to be comfortable in and to evolve in. Yunnan has a diverse ecosystem within some of the landscapes. For example, saying Yunnan has rich primary forest is not giving credit to the forest diversity. Yunnan has tropical rainforests, monsoon rainforests, subtropical evergreen broad-leaved forest, deciduous broad-leaved forest, warm and temperate coniferous forest, cold coniferous forest, hard-leaved evergreen broad-leaved forest, coniferous and broad-leaved mixed forest, alpine shrubs, alpine meadows, and rocky alpine beaches. There's so much biodiversity in Yunnan that the Yunnan people call it an oasis of biodiversity. While that is all wonderful and amazing, there is still the question of, so what? Why does any of this matter? Why should we care about the diversity of life in Yunnan or anywhere else for that matter? Human disturbance of these areas is profoundly serious. As we alter or destroy the habitats of these species, we put both them and us at risk. We put them at risk by destroying their home and the food supplies that have evolved to change it before, but that was over hundreds or thousands of years. Impacts humans bring occur in short years or even months. The balance within this ecosystem is a fragile, tightly interwoven one. Together they are strong. Remove a few from the balance, and not only will those few species be gone forever, the loss will impact other species like a falling building. Soon there may be no diversity to be saved. This impacts us as well. 25 local ethnic minorities have their own special cultures, much of which integrates with the local ecology. As we encroach on these animals' home, they lash out to defend their homes, themselves, and their offspring. For example, the farmers getting attacked by elephants who feel threatened. But what can be done about this? We need more people to be involved in conservation and more scientists to continue the research. Yunnan is a beautiful jewel in China's crown of biodiversity. Maybe your eyes were awed by the 848 species of birds. Did the myriad of forest types instead grab your mind's imagination? Perhaps just one snowbird-nosed monkey's smile captured your heart. There is a part of Yunnan's biodiversity for everyone's eyes, heart, and mind. Earlier, I posed these questions: what is it that makes Yunnan so special? And is Yunnan even special? My hope is that you now have a glimpse into why I feel so strongly that Yunnan's biodiversity is special. Yunnan's wildlife is a gift to us all. It is a gift we must protect. We must protect it not only for the thousands of species that call Yunnan home, but for ourselves as well. We need to work together to preserve this gift for our generation and for generations to come. Thank you for your time.